Yep, this is what we're doing tonight. We're at the beach. It's the first sunny day in a week, so we're gonna enjoy it. It was raining this morning, but right now it's beautiful, and I will take it. There's a guy over there taking pictures and everything, and me, I'm just sitting in here enjoying listening to the waves, watching a little football, and just kind of chilling. All right, a few minutes later, as you can see, the sun is going down. It is 7:11 p.m. or 1911 for those of you that use the international clock. Got Mount Redoubt shining big, Iliamna shining big. It's just a beautiful night. The temperature is definitely dropping. It's considerably cooler. I'm going to shut this door here in a minute, but got a beautiful sunset about to happen. Hopefully I get some nice colors to go with it. And here we are, 7:17 p.m. or 1917. And as you can see, the sun has officially set behind the mountains. Looks like we're going to get a beautiful sunset, at least for a few minutes. Okay, well, the sun is officially gone. It is a beautiful night here on Cook Inlet. The temperature is definitely cooling down. Won't be much longer. We've already had frost a couple of times, but it won't be much longer, and it'll be an everyday occurrence. Absolutely a beautiful evening, though. Almost no wind. I'm starting to think we might get a little color in the next 20 minutes, depending on what those clouds do. Football game was good. It was always nice to watch the Chiefs lose. I thoroughly enjoy that. Ah. The waves are going right up the mouth of the river. I don't know if this camera will show that. Tide is definitely heading out, though. Now the moon's starting to peek its head up over the top of the clouds over there. That's pretty cool. Got a sunset on this side and a moonrise on this side. Right on. Okay. Moon's stuck behind a cloud, but figured I'd catch a little more of this sunset. It's getting a little bit more color in the horizon. Seal out there floating in the river mouth. Waves slapping on the beach. Water's receding quickly. Somebody way down the beach from me, they're setting up a tent, so I hope they brought some good sleeping gear, because it's chilly. I can see my breath. Hoping to get the moon before it gets too dark and I won't be able to see the van. Okay, got a moonrise going. Okay, the moon is back. Hopefully it shows up when I get in the van here in a minute. That temperature is dropping fast. The color's kind of fading. It's getting bigger in the skyline, but it's not as vibrant as I was hoping it was gonna be. It still may change. We still got a little bit of daylight left. Okay, so I'm sitting here, just kind of kicked back. As you can see, I got a movie on, but I was just looking out the window here, and you can see I've got a little condensation going in here for me breathing. It's already that cold out. And by cold, 40 degrees right now is feeling cold. In the spring, we'll be in t-shirts and shorts in 40 degrees, but early in the fall like this, it feels cold. And when I got in, I checked the temperature. It's 40.5, so it's still relatively warm, I would suppose. But, yep, you can still see readout. Even though the window's dirty and fogged up a little bit. I'm just kick back, gonna watch a movie, and I did turn the heat on. I just turned it down to low. I let it run for a few minutes on high, and then, yeah, I still have a electrical glitch with the this cord right here. For some reason, every time I move around, it shuts off the TV like that. It's a little frustrating, but anyhow, I'm gonna get back to watching my movie. I will see you all in the morning. I already ate. I had some beef stew that I had left over, so that's what I ate. And yeah, I'm just gonna watch a movie and put the window covers up and relax. So we'll see you in the morning. Okay. I don't think you can see it, but Billy Omna's over there. Moon's right there. Nice and bright. And yes, that is my diesel heater running, because it's chilly out there. And this is everything set up. This is how I sleep at night. Got my clothes down here. I just kind of move things wherever I can get them to block out as much light as possible, plus, you know, just kind of get it out of the way. But yeah, this is normal every night stuff here. It's 5:22 in the morning. See, the moon is exceptionally bright. Big tides. We got big tides. The waves are slapping right on the beach here. Good morning. So we listened to the waves crash on the beach all night. The full moon was out. There was a little northern lights. It wasn't anything spectacular. Yeah, I woke up this morning, did some reading. Just finished putting everything away in the van. I still have to brush my teeth. But once I'm done with that, I can put the water away. Got everything kind of stored in its riding position. As you can see, I got a little condensation I'm gonna have to work on, but let me show you this beautiful scenery. Yeah, this is pretty rough. At the mouth of the river, the tide's way low now. And you got the moon right over the top of Redoubt almost. And Leomna's half buried in clouds. Looks like it's going to be a pretty decent day. So we're going to go do some errands, get some stuff finished up, and go enjoy this day.